So we made a sheet cake, and this is one of the things that we did in the catering world, where people just want one thing, but a lot of options, but the budget is a little bit small. So here we baked the sheet cake, vanilla cake. You could totally use box cake. This is all pantry ingredients, so you don't have to go out and buy anything extra. We have jelly, you know, we have nuts, we have sprinkles, hot fudge from your sundaes, everything that you're gonna have at home. So we baked the sheet cake in a hotel pan that you roast your vegetables on, and we cut some holes in it, and we cut it about, I will say, like 3/4 down the way. We took the tops off, and this is where we're gonna kind of fill the middle.
This is so cute. And can you use this, the top of your?
Absolutely. So just cut a couple holes off
So
of
you
there.
can actually just use the top of your pastry bag. You know what I mean? And take out that snibbly bit, that little bit, put it over here. Am I doing this right?
You're
Is it
absolutely
okay?
doing this correctly.
It's so fun.
And Rachel don't bake, so this is something that she could totally do. I absolutely love this.
I can bake. I choose.
You choose not to bake. That's right. See, that was a cute gather. She got me together. She just choose not to. And then, like I said, we have things that we have in the house. We have some strawberry jam. So
you want some jam,
so
jelly?
put some jam in there.
Gotcha.
I have some caramel from like my you know.
You making sundaes?
Just making sundaes.
You want some graham cracker?
Just put some graham cracker
with the jam?
Yep. I'm gonna put some
Can
pretzels.
Can I mix?
You can mix whatever you want. This is all about
I'm
doing.
gonna put some graham cracker.
Everybody knows my famous New York Times, you know, banana pudding. So we're gonna add a little banana pudding in that one.
Banana pudding.
So she had some pudding. She had some bananas.
And some of the chopped bananas.
And a little bit of some vanilla wafers.
Pretzels on the caramel. Thank you and bless you.
Yep. And then so we have some cookies and cream.
Oh look, those pretzels fell off.
Oh, yummy. Then we have some sprinkles.
I'm so sorry.
And then what we do is we pop these tops back on here.
It's like a toad in a hole, but it's a cake.
Absolutely. And then after all said and done, we're gonna pop those holes. You wanna grab that icing for me, please?
And then you start doing the icing,
and you just put some icing on top. Just go all the way across. And we just ice the whole entire cake. And of course, what you'll do is you'll make some scores in it, so we actually know where each topping is.
Right, so you know where the little scores are.
So as you see, Rachel did this, so you actually see your scores before you go into the whole thing. You'll just make some little marks.
And you just make those little marks so you know what you're doing when you get to that point.
Correct, absolutely.
Let's come on down to the ta-da station.
That's right. TV magic. Let's go on over to here. And
here's the ta-da section.
And this is the ta-da section. So this is where we just take, I'm gonna grab a little bit more whipped cream, and we just kind of finish up our cake. So I'm gonna add a little dollop, and then we have our toppings. We'll just reinforce so everybody knows what it is that you're getting.
They know on each square what's hiding inside. It's so clever.
So cute. And you can just keep going and add all of our different toppings.